scissors are right here at the front of the aisle. You're going to want a nice sharp pair of scissors that you use only for fabric. Some of the best values are down here. The Westcott brand titanium blade has a bent handle and $7.47 for a good sized pair of scissors. The best overall value would probably be the $4.88 pair down here. They might be slightly less sharp. They're not titanium, but they will be very good for our class. So for $4.88, you can get a great pair of scissors. If you want a matching pair of small scissors to use as a seam ripper, you can buy the 2-pack for $7.88. They also have the titanium 2-pack for $9.97, single for $7.47. So that's the 4 I would recommend. Okay, $4.88 black handles, $7.47 white handles are one of the 2-packs. Okay, then we're going to go over to seam rippers. You're going to want a good seam ripper. The small one is fine. It's $1.37. Or you can get one of the bigger kinds if you have big hands, or if you just want a really ergonomic seam ripper, you can get one of those too. Next is straight pins. You're going to be using these a lot. You're going to need one of these size packs. They have the short pins, it's a box of 80. The long pins, a box of 75. Let's see, that's a really big box, $4.47. Then there's another really big box for only $2.97. So I would recommend one of these. The 75 or 80 box will be fine. This is the best value right here, $2.27 for 80 pins. They have the large colored heads, so they're really easy to work with. If they're out of stock, get the next biggest one, which is $2.77. It's 5 less pins, but they're extra long, which is really nice too. If they're completely out of the large heads, get one of the small heads. They're still colored, they're still easy to see. You can also get the solid yellow, that's your preference. I do not recommend, let's see, I do not recommend the ones that are solid silver. There's a ton in here. It's 450 in this box, but they're really hard to see because they don't have the colored heads. So if you drop one, it's kind of gone. Okay, next, spin around, and here's the thread. You're going to need thread for every single project. This thread with the blue label underneath is all purpose, okay? It's the whole top portion. When you get down lower, you see the green label or the brown label or the purple label. Steer clear of those. You want something that says all-purpose thread, okay? It's only $2.27 a spool. And to maximize your thread, you're going to want to start out with a basic color, something you might be able to reuse for future projects. So I would recommend white or black, okay? And okay, here's a great example. We're at Walmart. This is in the wrong place. It says Dual Duty Plus. That should go way down there with the green labels. So whenever you pick up a thread, even if you pick it up from the right place, flip it, make sure that it says all purpose, okay? Then we're gonna come over to the zippers. You're going to need one zipper for your notebook. These ones at the top are only $1. It doesn't matter what color you get. So go ahead and pick out one of these zippers. They're called an all-purpose zipper. And then you'll need one invisible zipper. Those are below, and if you'll see Here's the all-purpose with the blue labels. Here's the invisible with the pink label. So you'll need just one of these in a short length. Again, it doesn't matter what color, so go ahead and just pick out whatever they have in a 7 to 9 inch length. The longer they are, the more expensive they are, so the 7 to 9 inch is perfect. It should be in the first slot of each color category.